Hello and welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well. And please be safe out there. I'm really excited about today's video. So last video I did an unboxing for niche grinder, and today I'm going to use niche for first time. The fact is I have not used it yet, so I'd like to share that first time experience with you. So let's take a look. I mean, overall, the reason why I chose niche, by the way, they sent me, I didn't pay for it. They sent me the niche for you guys to review, and I've been eyeing on niche for years, ever since they came out on the crowdfunding. And at the time, I couldn't afford to get one, so I've been waiting for a long time. And I reached out to them recently. They are nice enough to send me the units. I'm gonna shout out to James and Nish and Marty. And first of all, my wife loves it. Okay, I think that alone is worth something. Because I used to own a Mazda Mini. My Mazda Mini at work right now, but looks so much better than any other coffee grinder I ever seen. Just look at it; just looks amazing. Looks perfect, uh, and hopefully the ground's as good as the looks. So this morning I'm going to let's see. I'm going to be using Good Brothers coffee, Columbia beans, because I know this bean pretty well, so I know what it tastes like. So I'm going to use Barista Express, pour the espresso shots, and let's go. Okay, so I'm going to measure out 18 gram. Let's see, this is really nice, the dosing, what's that called? Basket here. Has a niche logo on the back. What else? By the way, this is 58, not 54, so it's not gonna work on the Barista Express, but hey, still looks good. I'm just gonna, let's get the measure out, 18 gram. I have 18.1 gram, so 18.1. And then I'm gonna, okay, by the way, so the people at Niche, they really give some thoughts on safety too. Watch this. Okay, so if this lid is closed, it works, but if the lid is off, that's not working. So pretty clever. So I'm going to put 18 grams. Close it. Okay, and then comes to grinder setting. The fact is I have no idea here. So if I ask you from here, they have an espresso. Hopefully you guys can see it. The espresso here, 10 through 20. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna set around 15 right on the middle. And go from there. I'm gonna time it too. Seventeen 17.9, 18 grams. So I'm gonna try one more time. Okay, so first time was good. I'm gonna try one more time. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna make, hold on. I'm gonna make the coffee using this one first, based on the ground setting right on the middle somewhere. More like more like 15 or so. So let's make a espresso out of it. So I'm gonna be using my dosing funnel. Okay, as you can see, it's choking right now, so that was too fine. So I need to adjust it. I'm just gonna stop it for now. Again, it's about 18.1 gram. But this time I'm going to change my ground setting to more like, let's say around 20. Yeah, I'm going to change it to 20 here. Maybe like 19. Here we go. Right before 20. I'm going to measure it. So 17.7 gram this time. So I know you got some copper grams stuck in here somewhere. I mean, inside maybe. But, I mean, I think that's close enough. So this is my second shot here. So I need to adjust even more. So this is one downside of trying to dial in brand new grinder, because you have no idea. But I'm gonna try anyway. I hate to waste the coffee here, but I'm using the Kruve glass, the Propel. Yeah, it's really bitter. So anyways, so let's back to the grinder. So now, before that, I was at number almost 20 here, this notch, 20. So I need to even go even coarser. Maybe like 20, you know what? Let's go to like 25, right on between. See how it goes. I have another 18 gram. We adjusted ground setting to more like 25. This is my third time here, so hopefully third time is the charm. By the way, this is really quiet. Okay, and then let's measure one more time. 17.9. So yeah, so 18. So maybe 1 or 2 gram might be missing somewhere. I bet you inside somewhere, but I mean this is really close, really close. This is much better shot here. Okay, it took me about third time to get the right pressure and right ground setting, but let's try this. So this Columbia beans they usually have a citrus flavor, cherry and caramel. So cheers everybody. Wow, yes, it's really good, extremely bright. cherry, yep. All the fruit flavor, the cherry flavor. Caramelly on the, it's really good. I bet you if I do use that with the Sumatra, it'd be even better for sure. Fantastic, fantastic. So, so next time what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, so this is like standard shots. So what I'm gonna do is maybe next time I'm gonna pull maybe 1 to 2 ratio, like 18 gram in, like 36 gram out. I like to see what that tastes like, and also I like to directly compare that with Barista Express. So maybe share with you if you got, is that really better than Barista Express in a built-in grinder. I know it is, but I like to show you that too. So, I mean, overall, my first time experience is really good and really easy to use. But again, you have to trying to find the right adjustment for first time. But I think after that, it should be pretty easy process, like up and down, couple notch. But yeah, overall, it's really good. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you have any comments, please let me know and see you guys next time.